In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customized active lists of customers in HubSpot CRM source for CRM. We're going to build an always updating customer segment so you can target outreach, report on behavior, and keep your database organized without manual work. Start inside your HubSpot account and head to the CRM area. From there, open segments. This is where HubSpot lets you define who should be grouped together based on shared properties and activity. Click Create Segment. Right away, HubSpot asks what kind of records you want this segment to track. Choose Contacts. If you're building a list of people, companies for account level grouping, or deals if you're segmenting opportunities, pick the one that matches your goal, then click. Next, to continue, give your segment a clear, descriptive name. A good name makes it easy to find and reuse later, especially if your team shares segments across emails, reports, and workflows. Think about including the key criteria in the name like the life cycle stage or timing you care about. Now click. Add filter to define who belongs in this segment. In the filter panel, open the category for first conversion. Select the first conversion property to focus on the first time a contact became known in your CRM. Then choose a first conversion date to anchor your segment to timing. These two properties work together. One identifies the initial touch point, the other captures when it happened. As you select them, you'll see options to refine the logic so the segment reflects exactly the customers you want to track. The preview on the right helps you confirm you're on the right path before you save. When you're satisfied with the criteria, click Next. This is a good moment to double check that the segment name still matches the rules you set, so future you and your teammates immediately understand its purpose. Add a short description. Use this space to note what the segment is for, how it's defined, and when it should be used. Clear documentation prevents confusion and keeps your marketing, sales, and service teams aligned. Finally, click Save and Process Segment. HubSpot will build the segment and keep it current as records change. So new customers who meet the criteria will be added automatically and those who no longer match will drop out. You can now use this segment anywhere you need it. Email sends, workflow enrollment, targeting, or dashboards. Confident that it stays accurate over time. That's it. You've created a customized, active list in HubSpot CRM that updates itself and keeps your customer targeting sharp.